Sonar. Sonar is basically sound navigation and ranging system. It is a device that uses ultrasonic wave. Ultrasonic wave means waves which are having the frequency greater than 20,000 Hz to measure the distance, direction and speed of the underwater objects. Principle: it uses the phenomena of echo in determining the sea depth and locating the presence of underwater objects. Working of sonar. This is the transmitter and this is the receiver. So we will say from the transmitter, ultrasonic wave is sent in all direction. Suppose one submarine is situated at some distance d or some depth d from the transmitter, or you can say it is sonar station also. Ultrasonic waves strike to this object and reflect back to the sonar station. Let I say t is the time between the transmission and reception of sound. It means we can say t is the time for echo. If I say ultrasonic wave is the speed v is the speed of this ultrasonic wave, because in the sonar we use the ultrasonic waves, then we know this distance d can be written as distance equal to speed into time. In t time, distance travel is d plus d is 2d. D from transmitter to receiver, then again receiver to transmitter d. It is given by speed is v and time for echo is that is given to us t. So d we will calculate, it is v into t divided by 2. In this way we will calculate the distance between the sonar station and the underlying objects.